then takes this medium rope and does that. And then all the ropes are the same size. This rope is the same length as this rope. This rope is the same length as this rope. And then the magician would be able to go through their hands, make a long one, make a medium, make a short one. So I go to the store and I bought a rope and I cut it into 3 pieces. Thinking this would be so easy. All I was going to do is put the little rope there, take the medium rope and make them all the exact same size. This one here, the exact same length as this one here. This one here, the same length as the other 2. I was hoping it was going to be so easy to make. Magic is tough and it's very difficult. And I'm going to show you the secret, not the way I do it, but the way they originally tell you. Is you take it, you fold the big one in half. You take this one and you fold it in half. This in half and this in half is equal to the length of this one. So as long as the magician hides the knot, it looks like that. And they can go, oh, look, a small rope and a medium rope and a short rope. And that's not magic. I throw away the instructions and I go, I'm just going to do it the magic way. So through time, I've learned how to take the little one, put it there, take this medium one, and make them all the exact same size. That one, the same length as this one, the exact same length as this one. And then the other thing I've learned how to do is make them all different sizes. So I got a long, a medium, a short.
Amazing.
That's good, yeah?
That was great.
That's a different way to do it.
That was great.
And the languages and the cultures that are in China itself. I mean, it's not like China's just one place.
But difficult.
This is actual production use script page from Return of the Jedi.
I can definitely tell from the price here.
Yes. Well, it's also autographed by the guy who built Yoda's.
Yeah. Right.
Right. And then these are also cartoon cells from the original Ewoks cartoons.
They're all original. Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Well, that's a great thing.
And then these are from the TV show Glee. These are movie props.
Awesome.
So, this is the Odditorium. We sell rocks and fossils and meteorites. So I have history like Stone Age, Greek and Roman, Viking. These are meteorites through here. Civil War bullets, 15th century. I've got tons of rocks in all of these shapes and sizes. Right? Lots of antiques as well.
That's very amazing.
Right? Taxidermy from all over, like pheasants, coyotes, Lincoln moose ears.
And those are all real.
And they're all real. Then we come into the fossils. I have megalodon teeth in here. These lumpy things besides fossils is dinosaur poop.
Wow.
Right? Then we have...
That's a small poop.
Right? Hadrosaur bones, trilobites. That's a backbone of an ichthyosaur. This here is a woolly mammoth tusk.
There we go.
It's not even a fossil. This is still the thing. It's not that old.
Wow.
Same thing with baby. This is a baby woolly mammoth's tooth, and it has a cavity.
Is that a thing like, millions or billions years ago thing?
No, these. That's the beauty. These mammoth is like 10,000 years old, 20,000 years old.
Okay.
In fact, there were pyramids when there were mammoths.
Okay.
Right? I'm sure there's Chinese structures as well at the same time as mammoths, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know what dynasty you're into, but there would definitely be a hardcore civilization in China, right? At the same time, you have woolly mammoths.
Yeah.
Which is incredible.
That's a baby pig.
That is a wild boar from Poland. This is the backbone of a whale carved by an Inuit artist to look like a spirit.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah. These are bugs in amber. And then that long plate behind it is actually a whole slice of a petrified palm tree. So that's like a 300 million year old tree.
Is that a part of a fossil or?
It is a fossilized, yeah. And you can even see the bark along the edges of it still.
Yeah.
375 million years old.
Wow.
Right.
We should put a year tag on top.
Right, yeah, right.
So that would be
So
a
then,
lot easier to
then
save
we're
time
looking
to
at
explain
rocks,
it.
and I have rocks from Nova Scotia, and I have rocks from worldwide.
And what are those rocks you got, or crystals
So I have-
from China?
Oh, from China.
Yeah.
Some of my favorites are fire quartz,
There we go.
right? Come over here. I have some great Chinese fire quartz.
Sure.
This section here,
Okay.
right?
Those are
This
crystals.
is Madagascar. These red ones here are all fire quartz from China.
Okay, that's
And then if you come with me one more at a time, then this here is from Hunan province.
there we go. Hunan province.
Fluorite.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. There's so many interesting
There's
things
so
on top
many,
of
yeah,
there as well.
exactly.
That's beautiful.
That's the giraffe leg bone. And that's an ostrich egg next to it.
Giraffe leg bone.
Yeah.
And you can tell how big, how tall they are. The giant one.
Hold it.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Crazy, eh?
Yeah.
So this comes from a preserve in South Africa.
Okay.
Big old bone.
It's all well done. It's all maintained already. So whoever wants to bring them home, yeah, they don't have to do the maintenance anymore.
No, I thought that all that's done for you.
That's awesome. And that's a real animal.
That's an Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
Now touch it. You can
White
try.
fox.
Usually I say don't touch my taxidermy, but touch it.
It's so soft.
It's like a cloud.
It feels so soft, smooth. It's perfect.
Isn't that amazing?
It's amazing. Is that a Canada goose or something?
That is what they call a bufflehead merganser.
Okay. I don't even know what that is.
It's a seabird, and then these are the wood ducks, which are the wood ducks are considered the most. Actually, the wood ducks and the mandarin ducks are two of the most beautiful ducks that with
Really?
colors, right? Because these are greens and purples and browns, right?
Right, right.
Mandarins are also the other duck that's very sought after.
Okay.
These are the two most sought after is wood and mandarin.
Is that a Mandarin that we're familiar with? The language or no?
No, I don't have any of the mandarins because I just didn't get access to it. But you can see, like I said, the wood duck is insane. See
Okay.
the purples
Yeah.
through here and the green, right?
Yeah.
Bring it out.
It's beautiful.
See,
Colorful
look at the color
creature.
change, right? Yeah, iridescence around the
Yeah, people should be aware of those. Like the eyeballs are always
face. Glass.
made.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
Other than that, it would be
anything
all
that,
real.
that can't rot.
yeah,
right?
yeah. And these are, she's called money stone.
Citrine.
Yeah.
That's right.
Citrine.
Feng Shui says the back left-hand corner is your money corner.
Oh yeah,
So
exactly.
that's where you would put your
True that. So that's a good thing for your feng shui.
Right.
Feng shui.
It's hard, right? Look it up.
Not really. Amazing.
Show you another cool thing.
Sure.
These rocks without the lights on them. See these? So you can use ultraviolet light.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's another view of the world.
So we actually find some of these at night by using flashlights.
Right. So the best way is do like a light wall or something as a
Yeah.
background, and put them on the
Yeah.
shelf.
Well, like I said, a lot of times, like these are actually Nova Scotian. We go and find these sometimes at night.
Okay,
We look for that with these, right?
pretty. They're pretty. Is there any way that you can light up as this one and make them all shiny?
That's the only ones that'll do it.
Okay.
Not every rock will fluoresce like that. See, I'll show
Okay.
you. See, they don't,
No, they
not
won't
everything does that, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
What if I just switch them over?
Sure. Like, I'll turn these lights off. I'll show you.
That would work. dear butt.
Was your whole family here or just you?
Just two of us.
Just two of you.
Yeah.
What brought you to Cape Breton?
Education.
Yeah.
Well, I tell everyone that same story, but in fact, no.
Just started picking some of it up just to look at it. So if I can get myself to China, then I at least know what's kind of going on. Difficult, I find.
It is.
But I do find the uses of the accents genius, right?
Wow, yeah.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes so much sense. At least I know how to say it by the accent. Right? And that's amazing. Because you're French language. And the accents, it's hard, it doesn't unless you memorize it, it doesn't make sense.
No.
Right?